Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I'm 6 feet tall, based in Los Angeles, California, and currently living in Los Angeles, California. I also went to an Ivy League school, so I know how to be that guy. An exciting new chapter in the annals of erotica.
And it was Tompkins' favorite kind of erotica.
Who says feminism can't be sexy? Okay, this stuff is gold. We gotta send someone to cover this press conference.
Is female gaze just another way of saying lesbian?
See? This stuff writes itself. Anyone up for a fish in a barrel gig? 600 words. Glenn,
I'll take this one.
my man.
New chapter in the annals of erotica.
Anal is Tompkins' favorite kind of erotica.
Who says feminism can't be sexy? Who says feminism can't be sexy? This is gold. We gotta send someone to cover this press conference.
Is female gaze just another way of saying lesbians?